Okay, something a little different. This is one of the personal rides from Pat here. I believe it was a 98 model Nissan Frontier, 4-cylinder, cold AC. It's a manual, nice tires. Pretty decent truck. He drives this truck all the time. He's got a bunch of cars himself, so I just figured maybe it's time to move on and get something a little different. This one will be gone over just like all the cars on the car lot. Chips, scratches, rust, and dents. If there's something wrong, you'll know about it. Hey, check that out. There's another Frontier pulling a trailer and lawn equipment. All right, guys, stick around. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, this should be a pretty simple test drive. Lots of cup holders in this thing. You do have some back seats, not that they'd be super comfortable. Headliner's got multiple pins in it. Yeah, headliner's kind of sagging there. Showing 144,000 on the mileage. Get it to pop up. Yeah. Got plenty of gas. AC's blowing cold. Radio's cutting on. It's just an overall clean truck. Horn works. Wipers work, squirters work. Let's hit the road, see how she runs. Emergency brake works. Crank windows never fail. Get my seat belt on. Should be a simple test drive. I'm going to light up the undercarriage, do picking out the flaws at the end, chips, scratches. Clutch feels good on this one. Paper mat's all in my way, but got cold AC. I'm loving it. Any doodads, doohickeys to play with in here. Uh-oh. What did I do? It's not staying shut. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. That ain't what it's supposed to do. Let's put that back. Pat's gonna kill me. I'm just kidding. I'll get it back. But we're gonna take off. Speedo is working. Got a little bit of a left fade there as we're riding down the road. There we go. Well, while we're waiting on that, I guess we'll fix this doohickey. Maybe. There we go. Okay, now he's out of the way, sort of. Seems to be shifting out pretty good. We're going up to 5th. Extreme gas mileage. All right, same thing, light up the undercarriage, check out for the body, chips, scratches, rust, dents. If anything's there, you'll know about it. That's coming up next, so stick around to the end if you want to see more about this truck. Okay, it's time to roll, guys. So far, so good. I mean, she's staying cool. She's got nice cold AC. Just a good old driver. If you want something for everyday driving, this is the one. Still a little bit of a left fade there on the steering wheel. It's nothing drastic at all. It's just very minor. Suspension's decent on this one as well. We're getting ready to pull back into Maple Motors. Picking out the flaws coming up next. There's not really a whole lot wrong with this one. It is from 98, so it's going to have a couple chips here and there, but it's pretty rust free here. All right, stick around. Thanks, guys. Walk this ride. Coming up on the front. Really, for the year, this thing's in great shape. Got a couple cracks in your marker lights there. Chrome starting to come up on the grill. Great tires, rims are clean, solid on the bottom of the doors and your panels there. Locking gas cap. Some light little scuffs there on the side. Ding in your gas cap. Plastics are a bit faded. Seal, it's got some cracks in it, but still okay. Front windshield looks pretty good. Little chips there. Dents on the roof up here. Scratch there up on the roof as well. Chips, little scuffs. Coming on up with the tailgate. It's locked, it's shut. little scuff on the side here. Rubber's kind of coming out. Little scuff there. Spot in the front here. Midsection. Chip there, chip here. Ding in the back door there. Double-sided tape there, it could come off pretty easy. A dent right here on top. Made it around the outside. Let's check out this interior. Door panel on this one actually looks pretty clean. She's a nice door panel. In your jams. All right. Seals look good. Carpet in this one's decent. For the year, you got some spots here, maybe a drink spilled from 3 cup holders, but the seats are in wonderful shape. Looking behind the seat. Also fairly clean. Headliner does need to be redone. You can see it's got a bunch of pins in it holding it up. One day one of them thumbtacks is going to come out and you're going to sit right on it. Start her up. I don't know why this won't stay in now. Oh wait. Wow. That's all you had to do. Guys, thank you for watching. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping is available on this one as well. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We update every Monday with new rides.